Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. Today I have another one from the series All Our Yesterdays. Now the reason why I call this series All Our Yesterdays is the fact that I'm looking at coins from the past, coins I need for my collection, and this particular lot is a £5 series, and this one is a £5 one for it's called Pennants and Castles, or Castle and Pennants. It's designed by Avril Vaughan. It is a coin from 1996. The portrait of the Majesty of the Queen is Ralph Makaloff. Again, it is, as I say, 1996, and there was 2,396,100 of them produced. And if I remember rightly, it would have been for the Queen's 70th birthday this coin was produced. It's a fair while ago. What you have on here, he says, looking for his little pointy stick. Whoops, let's get back into the area where you can view it. You have different pennants, royal pennants. You have Her Majesty's, this one here is Her Majesty's flag. I'm not sure what that one is there. Oh, that's just the E for Elizabeth. You have the Union Jack, or the Union flag rather than Union Jack. It can only be called a Union Jack if it's flying on the rear of one of Her Majesty's Royal Naval ships. We have some pennants there, and in the background here, right at the bottom, is Windsor Castle. Very nice coin. I have, as I've said in the past, I'm a completionist, and this is one of the £5 coins I was missing from the collection. I'm very happy to have it. It is a historical one, as most of these £5 tend to be. They tend to be for specific events. Now, we've had them mainly for royal events. A lot of the £5 coins that were issued at around about this time. They were royal events themselves. It wasn't until sort of the mid 2010s, or early 2010s, that we started getting them for other reasons than royal commemoratives. So that's a lovely coin, one I like greatly. Tell me in the comments, what do you think? Would you want this coin in your collection? Would you be happy to have it in your collection? Anyway, let's just come out a bit more. And I'd like to say, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you are able to find the coins that you're looking for. If you are buying coins or anything else, I hope you can get the objects you're after for the price that you want to pay. If you've enjoyed this video, would you please give me the thumbs up? It doesn't take but a second of your time, and it helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. I make no bones about it, I would like to grow my channel this year, and I need your help to be able to do that. So if you're a returner, or one of the 40% of you that view the videos but aren't yet subscribed, could you please think about doing so? If you're brand new to the channel, I'd love to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins and banknotes, etc. Until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, bye bye now, ta-da.